Lesson 1. After graduating from university, Yanagira Nana joined Jinan Manufacturing, a precision machinery parts manufacturer, as an engineer. Now in her 7th year, she is approached by a foreign-affiliated recruitment agency. While exchanging emails, Nana begins to feel that she wants to test herself at a global firm, and she decides to consult online with career consultant Ben Davis.
I've been looking forward to our talk.
Likewise, Nana. I looked through your resume and saw your work on production quality and efficiency in Southeast Asia.
It's been challenging but rewarding.
Great. You've also built strong expertise in smartphone components.
Yes, I don't have complaints about my current job, but I want to challenge myself in a global company. The problem is, I feel there are too many choices, like being in front of a buffet.
A buffet of choices can be overwhelming, but it also means you have plenty of opportunities. Your skills could carry over to sensors, power electronics, even automotive.
Automotive?
Yes, your background is valuable. Firms like Lichtech or Lennon Microsystems would see that.
Lesson 2. After the initial meeting, Nana chose the German firm Lichtech as her top priority, with Lennon Microsystems as her second. Without delay, she starts preparing for online interviews with her career consultant, Ben.
Lichtech? What's behind your decision to make the company your top choice? Oh, don't worry, this is not a trick question.
Good to know. For a moment, I thought I was back in an exam. At Jinan, I specialized in smartphone components, but I want to take on a wider range of responsibilities.
Sounds good. But be more specific. What excites you about Lichtech?
Its leadership in power semiconductors and automotive solutions. I'm fascinated by how the company's technology drives electrification and efficiency.
Better. How does your past experience connect?
I focused on parts for mobile devices, so I understand how to make them both small and long-lasting. I believe this applies directly to automotive electronics.
Great. Emphasize your transferable skills.
Lesson 3. Nana and Ben continue preparing for the interviews. Nana asks Ben for feedback on how to present her strengths and weaknesses.
Let's talk about your strengths. What sets you apart?
I've worked with ASEAN colleagues, so I know how to adapt to local markets.
Excellent. That shows cross-cultural experience. Anything else?
I'm not fluent in English, but I can handle technical discussions.
Oh, don't underestimate that. Communication across cultures is vital. Even ordering coffee abroad can feel tougher than a meeting.
Yes, I've felt that too.
So, your strengths are technical depth, collaboration, and communication. A powerful mix. Now, what about your weaknesses?
I hold myself to high standards and sometimes expect the same of others. I try not to push too hard.
Better be careful with that. So, your first step is the Lennon Microsystems interview. Go in with confidence.
Lesson 4.
Subject: Request for comments on my CV. Dear Nana, I'm delighted to see how the efforts you made during your student days have grown into such a successful career. As recruiters often spend only about 30 seconds scanning a CV, I suggest keeping it simple and easy to follow. Specifically, highlight 2 or 3 key achievements, rather than describing every project in detail. Include a short professional summary at the top, A couple of sentences covering your role, expertise, and career goals. Remember, recruiters don't carry a stopwatch, but they do appreciate clarity and focus. Of course, the final decision on how to refine your CV is yours. Please feel free to reach out if you'd like further feedback. Regards, J. Watson.
Dear Professor Watson, thank you very much for your kind and insightful feedback. Regarding the second point, I drafted my professional summary as follows. Experienced electronics engineer with a focus on wireless communication modules and power semiconductor solutions for mobile and automotive applications. Proven track record of delivering innovations adopted across ASEAN markets, improving performance and supporting business growth. Career goal: to leverage technical expertise and cross-cultural collaboration skills to expand my career in the global market. I'd greatly appreciate any comments you may have. Regards, Nana.